Hey guys, this is Mike. I figure I'd go over my fireworks stash on my fire for the 4th. Got two of these punk rockers. Look at this. Got two of those. Look at those punks. Those ring rockets. And that's that pound rocket. I finally get rid of it. This is just a box of fused firecrackers. Got two of these chicken bakes. These are good cakes. I do recommend them. They are very good 200 grammers. This here, 1.2 gigawatts by Black Cat. That's new this year. I've never had that before. Purple Haze. That's a new one. 20 shots. Never had it before. I've had this before. The 4th of July parade. Got two of these happies. Usually I get the 16th. This time I got the 36. Sometimes I have these. The smokes. Two little mortar kits. A little bit of this. More of these yellow and blue smoke. Burning rings fire. I've never had that before. So anybody that's had that, please tell me how good these are. I want to know. You've seen those. Another one of those. I gotta tell you the name of these Roman candles. I don't feel like it. Jumping jacks. Three of these. My demo. Another one of these. Okay. Peace out and have a happy 4th of July.